Okay, guys, we're going to be working on geometry. In this unit, you have to have your notes right out beside you because you're going to be adding, looking at your notes, subtracting or adding things to your notes, adding, looking at what they mean. So please have your notes out that you have your words there. The first thing we're working on is identifying and classifying a polygon. So a Castel di Monte in Aleppo, Italy, was built more than 750 years ago. The fortress has one central building with 8 surrounding towers. Which polygons do you see repeated in the structure? How many angles, sides, and vertices does the polygon have? Okay, so first of all, have your notes up because we're going to talk about what a polygon is. A polygon is a closed plane figure formed by 3 or more lines that meet at a point called the vertex. It is named by the number of sides and angles it has. To identify the repeated polygons in the fortress, complete the table. Okay, so first of all, I would like you to do an example in your notes by polygon. A polygon is any shape. I don't care what kind of shape it is, but it has to be closed, and it also has to have straight lines. So draw me 2 small polygons in your notes, and then I would like you to draw a line and put not, and draw a couple that is not in there, so that we at least have down what a polygon is or what it is not. All right. Now, let's look at these polygons. We have a triangle. It tells us how many sides it has. Angles. Angles is where 2 line segments meet. So we have 3 angles. Vertexes is the point at which they meet. And that's 3. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides. They have 4 angles and 4 vertices. Pentagon has 5 sides, 5 angles. An angle can go inward or outward. It's called convex and convex, and it has 5 vertexes. Hexagon has how many sides? 6. 6 angles and 6 vertexes. All right. A heptagon has 7 and 7. Octagon, 8 and 8. Nonagon, 9 sides, 9 angles, and 9 vertexes. A decagon, deca means 10, 10 sides, 10 angles, 10 vertices. What does that tell you about a polygon? It has the same sides, same angles, and same vertices. So the blank is repeated polygon in the, so look back up at your picture. What do you see throughout all these? Well, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, look at how many octagons there are. So the octagon is repeated because it has 8 sides, 8 angles, and 8 vertexes. All right, back in your notes, if you, by all of these, if you don't have how many it has by it, like triangle, 3 sides, 3 angles, 3 vertexes, from the videos we watched earlier, then you need to add those, please. All right, onward. Okay, so then we have regular polygons. When line segments have the same length, or when the angles have the same measurements, they're congruent. Congruent means same length, same sides, same amount of sides. Two polygons are congruent when they have the same size and the same shape. In a regular polygon, all sides are congruent and all angles are congruent. Okay, make sure you've added that to your notes. So this is a regular polygon because, as you can see, all the angles are 108 degrees and all the side lengths are 4 centimeters. Then we have a non-regular polygon, and not all the sides are congruent. We have 2 sides that are, and you notice that they mark them with 2 lines. This one's marked with 1 line because these 2 are congruent. Not all the angles are congruent. These angles are congruent. And this one is totally different than all of those. So you can see how we are marking the polygons. So let's look here. Label the Venn diagram to classify the polygons in each group. Okay, so these all have what? If I look, all the sides are not equal, but all the angles are. So I'm going to put angles belong here. Over here, if I look, they all have 1 line. So in this box, all the sides are congruent. And in the middle, they are a regular polygon because all the sides are congruent and all the angles are congruent. All right. So name the polygon. Now, then use the markings on the figure to tell whether it is a regular polygon or not. So it's a 1, 2, 3 sides. It's a triangle because it has 3 angles, 3 vertexes, and 3 equal sides. All the sides and angles are congruent. Yes. Is it a polygon? Is the polygon a regular? Yes, because everything's the same. Okay. So now we're just going to do what we just did, only you're just going to tell, are they regular polygons or not regular polygons? I would like you to do all of those and all of these. Check with your partner, please. We'll skip this page. Here, I would like you to do, let's stick with what we know, evens, and 1 or 2, and all the rest. So I hope you're getting used to writing in your journal at the same time. You will refer back to the journal quite a bit through this unit.